Urban Infinity?
They're gonna be modding these.
Yeah. I got TKE here. They'll be modding these.
Not in a long time.
Looks like they're actually starting to try and put some sort of effort into this place.
A little bit.
That's good. Indicator works. Hope we don't get stuck in here.
Whatever's banging on the car works.
Seriously.
The lights don't work.
Jesus.
Still just as bad as day one.
I'd say these run even worse now.
Yeah, poor fixtures too.
Barely even pushes.
Again, I think so on the roofs.
Yeah, big
Should we take it
footprint on the
to
door.
shoot?
Mm-hmm.
See the lights up? No.
Seems to run a little better on the way down.
Wee bit. Should try to talk to the TK techs at some point and see if
Yes.
they can get this site switched.
Looks like the other car.
It's like got replaced because of the, remember these ones that were spray painted?
Oh yeah, these got replaced, as you can see. These are new ones.
New in quotes.
New old stuff, probably.
Yeah.
Anyway, that will be it. And that will be it.